I've been lost in the dark, slowly falling apart. I've been on my own too long, this loneliness where I belong. I've been down in the deep, drifting off in the sea. Maybe I'm just far too gone. Is anybody out there, can anybody rescue me? That's the West, it's time to sound the alarm, but no.
Прилет был прям здоровенный.
I'm a lost cause, always cause you harm. This is just what I deserve, it's time we all moved on. I send a rose to my mother when I go. Ain't no hope in the struggle, I don't know why I've chosen to suffer all alone. Always up against these lows, knees buckle as I crumble to the flow in this hole that I've shoveled. Digging as I lift ground, 6 feet down isn't deep enough to help them as I delve in the abyss. How's a bottomless pit holding all my sins? When I think about you, man, I just fall right in, right in. I've been lost in the dark, slowly falling apart. I've been on my own too long, this loneliness where I belong. I've been down in the deep, drifting off in the sea. Maybe I'm just far too gone. Is anybody out there, can anybody rescue
Yesterday
me?
was the tornado warning, today's like the morning after. Your world is torn in half, you're waking its wake to start the morning process. And rebuilding, you're still a work in progress. Today's a whole new chapter, it's like an enormous ass. Thunderstorm has passed you, your weather didn't poke your eye out with the thorn bush that you used to smell the roses. Stop to inhale, can't even tell your noses. Stop so focused on the bright side, then you floor the gas pedal and hit the corner faster. More assertive, never looking back, may hit the curb. But every day's a new learning curve as you steer through life. Sometimes you might not want to swerve, but you have to avert a disaster. Lucky no permanent damage, cause they hurt you so bad, it's like they murdered your ass and dirt on your casket.
Так что такое 26 февраля 23 года. Солнце уже определенно выше под конец февраля, чем в январе. Но что я тут сегодня вижу после снегопада, это новшество. То есть вот эта вот тема, на которой я сам ни разу, не раз на этой террасе сидел. Эти вот лавочки, вот это вот все. Прилетела вот эта вот тема с леса. То есть это, я помню, было время, когда река поднималась и эту террасу подсмыла. Но чтобы вот так вот прям прилетело вот так вот бревно и вот так вот воткнуло в лавочку, это, конечно, достижение 26 февраля 23 года. Вот я хочу по хорошей погоде от ратраченной трассе на велосипеде катнуть вот по этой горнолыжной трассе.